Assalamualaikum to all of you parents. I'm Hidayah from Genius Young Mind, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. Okay, today I'm at the Quantities Center over here, just finished my lesson, and here I'm going to actually help you solve question number 10. Question number 10 is the question I've posted earlier today. Okay, so I hope you have tried this question, or maybe you have actually asked your child to try this question at home. So what we can do now is to check through their work against mine. Okay, see whether they get the right answer, see whether their steps are correct, and whether you are on the right track as a parent math educator at home. Alright, so for those of you online, why not like, love, share this video so that others can also benefit from this video as well. Okay, alright, so we have this question here. Right, this is one of the questions just now I posted earlier. So to solve a problem sum, you always have to read the question once through to get an overall understanding of what this question is all about, and to step number 1, main keywords. Alright, get a general idea what this question is all about first. Okay, so let's read. At first, Eric had 10% as many stamps as Jeff. After Eric bought another 121 stamps and Jeff bought another 45 stamps, Eric now had 80% as many stamps as Jeff. Okay, how many stamps did Eric have at first? The main keywords here is at first, right? Then another keyword is bought, right? Jeff bought something, Eric also bought something, okay? And then after that, they also tell us now they have something else, alright? So whenever you have this kind of keywords, this really is just like a giveaway. Okay, this actually try to tell you that this question is actually a before and after question. Alright, thank you for joining us. For those of you online, please like, love, share this video so that others can benefit as well. Okay, so whenever you have this main keyword at first, bought, now, straight away I know that this is a before and after question. So for before and after question, to solve it, there are a few of the before and after concept. I call it the BCA concept. Okay, we have single unchanged, we have total unchanged, difference unchanged, and all changing quantity concept. Okay, so for all these different BCA concepts, always look at, zoom in to their change, right? The change in each of these question or in each of these concept will determine which one will you have to apply for the question given. Alright? So let's now, we know that this is actually a before and after question, right? We've done this. Let's identify the B, the C, and the A. Okay? So, for those of you who have watched my video before, for those of you who have went through my program before, you all know that the before is always the sentence. At first, Eric had 30% as many stamps as Jeff. This is my before, right? But if you look at our before sentence, we have a percentage here. 30%. What do we do with percentages? Do we leave it as it is? If you leave it as it is, you can do so, but you're not able to apply the BCA concept you're going to teach. Alright? So to apply the BCA concept, the percentages have to be changed into fractions in its simplest form. Okay, so 30%, in this case 30%, right, is equal to 30 over 100 equals to 3 over 10 when I reduce. Okay, when I reduce. So when I have this 3 over 10, I just put there 3 over 10 here. Okay, Eric had 3 over 10 as many stamps as Jeff. Can you see the magic keywords there? As many stamps as, okay, as many stamps as, this is the magic keyword there. Alright, the magic phrase. Whenever you have that, the first person is always the first number, right? The second person here is the number. Alright, fractions in its simplest form is already in its units form, right? Means this is 3 units and 10 units. This is 3 units, this is 10 units. 3 units here belongs to Eric, here belongs to Jeff. Okay? Right, so we have that done. After Eric bought another 121 stamps. So the keyword here is bought, right? Eric bought something and Jeff bought something. Eric bought another. What means I add 1 to 1. This is for who? This is for Eric. Right? Then Jeff bought. Bought means I have to add also another 45. This is for who? This is for Jeff. Okay, so far clear? Alright? Okay, so now we are trying to identify the C. The C here is my bought. When I bought means I add in. When I add in means this is a change, right? So bought here is my change. Bought. After Eric bought another 121 and Jeff bought another 45 cents. Then Eric now had. Now is our after keyword. Right? And again we have 80%. Can we leave the 80% as it is? Try not to. We are going to change 80% into fractions. So 80% is equal to 80 over 100. Right? If you reduce, I get 8 over 10. I reduce, I get 4 over 5. Okay? So which means this 80% is 4 over 5. Now, Eric now had 4 over 5 as many stamps as Jeff. So, fraction in its simplest form is already in a units form. So, this 4 unit, this is 5 unit. 4 unit is Eric. 5 unit is Jeff. Okay? Good? Alright. How many stamps did Eric have at first? Who do you want to find? You want to find Eric at first. Okay, I know this is a before and after question. I'm applying the BCA concept. What kind of the BCA concept? This is the all-changing quantity concept. Why all-changing quantity? Always zoom into the change. Let's zoom into the change. Change is that Eric bought 121 stamps. Jeff bought 45 stamps. Both of them changes. But both of them changes differently. Right? Eric bought 121, but Jeff bought 45. So when we have two items changing differently, the change is for two items, right? And the change is different. This is the all-changing quantity concept. Okay? Alright, so for those of you online, please like, love, share this video so that others can also benefit from this video as well. Alright, so this is all-changing quantity concept, where we have the different the change, both of the change is different, right? Okay, so what do we do next? We are going to change all the fraction, percentage to fraction. We did that already. Okay, we have all the percentage fraction. Now we're going to draw the box and fill it up. Okay, so let's draw out the box. So we have the box like that. So I have the first person, Eric. And then I have Jeff, I have my B, I have my C, I have my E. So we draw out the lines. Okay, you can see? Right, then we're going to fill up the box with the information from the question. Okay, so before Eric, we have 3 units. Before Jeff, we have 10 units. Right? Change Eric. Bought means plus 1 to 1. Okay? Change Jeff means bought. We have plus 45. Right? Then we have after Eric. 4 units. After Jeff, we have 5 units. Okay? Alright? Good so far? Okay. Anyone lost? If you're lost, you take it slowly from here. Okay. Now, after this step, we have already identified and filled up all the boxes with the correct information. We have to figure out what the question wants. The question wants how many stamps did Eric have at first. So what does our question want? We want Eric at first. At first means the before. Okay, so means Eric before. This is what I want to find. I put question mark there. Okay, right now, to do all changing quantity concept, alright, if the question is asking for at first, means Eric at first before, the after row the after row have to be the same. Make the after row the same if it's not the same. Let's look at after row. Every 4 units, Jeff 5 minutes. Are they the same? They are not the same. We have to make them the same. Okay. So we zoom in and focus at my after row. This one has to be the same. So how to make them the same? We times 5 and then we times 4. Here becomes 20 units. Here becomes 20 units. Whatever I do to a box in the column, the next box in the column must do the same. I times 5 here, I times 5 here. I times 5 here, I times 5 here. I times 4 here, I times 4 here. I times 4 here, I times 4 here. Okay, so here becomes 15 units. Here becomes 40 units. Alright, here becomes 605. So we have 605. The plus still stay, yeah? So we have plus 605. Here becomes plus 45 times 4 is 180 plus 180. Okay. Now let's look. Okay. Now we go slower. Let's look at the row that is equal here and here. Okay. This tells me that here and here it's equal already. Okay. Good. Now let's go downwards. To get these 20 units for Eileen, how do we end up with 20 units? I take 15 units plus 605. Whatever she had at first, she adds in some more, right? She bought another stamps, becomes 20 units. So, 20 unit is equal to 15 unit plus 605. Okay, this is my 20 units here. My another 20 units is here. Okay, so 20 units here is equal to 40 unit plus 180. Okay, so we go downwards. We go downwards to get the 20 units. Now, since these 20 units and these 20 units are equal, which means this equation and this equation are also equal. Understand? Can you see that they're equal? Okay, you can see that. So if they are equal, we can solve that equation and find that 1 unit. How do I do that? I'm going to put it here. Okay, can you see? So I take 15 unit plus 605 is equal to 40 unit plus 180. Okay, can you see that? Next, we group all the u to one side, all the number to the other side. So we group all the u to this side, Right? So we have 40 unit minus 15 unit. Okay, then the plus 180, we have 605 minus 180. Whatever sign go over, you see that this plus 180 becomes minus 180. And then in front here, the 15 units go over becomes minus 15 units. Okay? So now I have 25 units here, and here I have 4 to 5. Okay, 4 to 5. Which means 25 unit represent 4 to 5. 1 unit is 4 to 5 over 25. This will give me 17. How many units do I want to find? Which one did I circle just now? I circled 3 units for Eileen, right? So 3 units is 17 times 3 equals to 51 steps. Answer. Alright. Okay. So is this clear? This is called the all changing quantity concept. Alright. Where we have both items changing, but the change is different. Both items undergo changes, but the change is different. Okay. One of them plus 1 to 1, another one of them is plus 45 steps. Okay, clear? So I hope this is clear. Remember, if you have both items going through changes, but the change is different, it is all changing quantity concept. Okay, alright. So this is one of the you must know PSLE Math concept. So if the child is in P6 and he doesn't know this concept yet, ensure that your child is able to understand and master this concept by PSLE. You can do so by replaying this video again and then let them practice this question again. Alright? This question, it's a basic question for the this kind of concept, or changing quantity. Sometimes the number or the question can get a bit twisted, means a bit harder. Alright? So try to get and try to master how this concept goes about applying this concept in this question. Okay, so if you want to know more of such PSLE Math concept, why not come join us for a free trial lesson? Alright, just click on that link. It's free, completely free. Alright, come on board, try out the lesson, and find out all the other 25 PSLE Math concept. Okay. Alright, and also if you're keen on math tuition classes with us, Genius Young Minds, you can click on that link. We have $85 off for January. Alright, so $85 off for the tuition fee, for the registration fee as well. Okay, so just click on that link and then you can go ahead and find out the details and also to register your child. Remember, I just want to highlight to you that my Punggol classes for PSLE, the one that I'm teaching, is already full. Alright, we have classes in Punggol run by my other gym teachers. Okay, so if you want classes that are taught by me, Tampines Center still available. Classes that I'm teaching in Tampines that's still available is Tuesday and Thursday, today's class. Okay, Tuesday and Thursday class is still available for Tampines. Then if you want the weekend classes, I have one slot each for PSLE class over the weekends for both timings. Okay, but Tuesday, Thursday is a new class still available. Come on, click, and then if you need to find out anything else about our tuition classes, about our free trial lesson, or anything to do about math concepts, or any questions you have about math relating to math, just text me here 91098564. Text me, WhatsApp me, okay, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, okay, I hope this is clear. For those of you who are online, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to share this video to others so that others can benefit as well. Try out this question with your child, try out this question for yourself. Alright, remember, practice makes perfect, and then the more you practice, the more you master the concept. Okay, alright, look out for my next question tomorrow. Alright, it's another must-know PSLE math concept, good for P3, P4, P5, P6 students and parents. This has been Hidayah from Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. Goodbye.